Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Roblox in your Windows PC in a very simple way. How you can do that? First, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Roblox and then click enter. Then we're going to find out the option called download Roblox. So if you click on that, then we're going to get this kind of interface over here. And we're going to come over into the official roblox.com, so you don't need to worry about any of this functionality. And then here, this is automatically detected my Windows operating system. So I'm going to click on download Windows app. And then I have to click on the download. And you can simply see the download has been completed. Now, if you click on the folder icon over here, you're going to get the Roblox player installer. So if you click on it 2 times to install and simply minimize all the background apps, and you can see that Roblox Studio is slightly loading, and over here we're going to get a shortcut into our desktop. After completing the loading, we're going to get the Roblox create account and sign in option. So if you have already account, you can simply click on sign in. If you don't have, you can simply click on the create account. And from here, you have to give your birthday, your username and password. And also you have to select your gender. And after logging, you're going to get all the games recommended for you. Over here, you can simply see. If you just simply click on them and simply click on the play button, it will going to start loading over here. You can simply see. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Roblox in your computer PC. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you from the videos. Till then, goodbye.